Hi everyone. In this video tutorial, we will be talking about the recent changes to the workflows page that has come up as part of Backstage upgrade in Harness IDP. So basically, it's a UI side changes only, which has made the UI more minimalistic, more intuitive, and less confusing. So let's start. So the first change, which you could see here, is the tile size has become quite smaller and convenient, now less scrolls for users. Rest pretty much it's the same, the description, the name and the type with user and everything. So now let's see what of this template and see what has changed inside. So basically, this template uses a harness custom action, which essentially takes input from the template and uses it to trigger a pipeline wherein you get the end result when your pipeline running successful. So this is just a dummy Slack ID. We're giving input, and you could notice this change here. This has become horizontal now. Pipeline details and review. These are the two steps that are part of this template. And once you get the input in the first step, which is the pipeline details, then let's go to the review, which is taking the token and the Slack ID. And once I put this create, you could see this card has also become horizontal. Previously, it was on the vertical side of the things. So yeah, now I think our pipeline is successful. And if I click here, it will redirect me to the execution page of the pipeline. And the interesting thing that you notice here is just three dots, where now logs is by default disabled if your workflow is successful. And you could just click here and see the logs. And there is an interesting button bar which was showing up while the pipeline was running, and it didn't appear after the pipeline was successful because you don't have any use of it if your workflow is successful. So yeah, this button bar also you could hide, or so this is the case. So in case the pipeline run fails, if these all details appear together, I will show you one such example here. Is if I go to the task list and let's see one of the failed pipeline. So if you see for a failed pipeline, the button bar is visible, the logs are visible, and this error message is also visible, which is essential if in case your workflow fails, you need all the information at your to debug or to look where things got wrong. But in case it is successful, the visibility is quite minimalistic, and I think if you have achieved what you wanted to achieve to the workflows, and it's time for the next task. So yeah, I think this upgrade is good. It is a straight upgrade from the Backstage side. And if you have any suggestions, please reach out to us through Canny regarding this UI. Although we are trying to revamp it completely, we will be having a new workflow page in a few days. Yeah, stay tuned for the next video. That's all for this.